Here's my new bird. Built a T-copter. I crashed my other tricopter, so I had to rebuild it. I made a T-copter out of it. I used aluminum railing off a fence. Motor to motor is 51 centimeters. I'm using Turnigy 2836 by 950 kV. KK 2.1 is Stevie's 1.14 on. Runs good. This is set up, going to be set up for FPV. That's why I got so much real estate up front on this truck, T-copter. Got the lights. This is my test flight right now, making sure everything works and running good. So far, so good. Put a new wiring harness on it. No, I didn't make the wiring harness. I put in one of them Hobby King distribution boards. That's what was giving me the problem before, was the wiring harness. Lost power on the tricopter. Crashed it. Wrecked it. So I took everything, most everything off of there and put on here. Over and out. When I get my FPV gear on this, I'll show you some video of it then. For BPF.